Today, I'm very excited to show you how to cook a Coconutty Caribbean Soup with sweet potatoes and kidney beans. This is a vegetarian dish and I love it. I'm sure you're also gonna love it. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going to need sweet potatoes, chopped tomatoes, kidney beans, coconut milk, yellow peppers, spring onions, lime, vegetable stock cubes, grated garlic, thyme, pudre de Colombo, water. We're going to zest the lime. At this point, it would be a good idea to also start preheating your oven to 200 degrees. Then we're going to finally chop the spring onions. Then we're going to cut the yellow peppers in the middle and remove the core and discard the core and the seeds. Now we're going to chop the peppers in 2 centimeter pieces. Now we're going to peel the sweet potatoes. Now we're going to chop the sweet potatoes in 2 centimeter chunks as well. Now we're going to line a baking tray because we're going to be roasting the sweet potatoes in there. So we don't want them to stick. We're going to drizzle it with olive oil first. Then we're going to place the sweet potatoes on the tray. We're going to add half of the thyme, just sprinkle on top. We're also going to season it with salt and pepper. Then we're going to give it a good old toss. Here we go. Now we're going to be roasting the sweet potatoes on the top shelf of your oven, which should be preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. We're going to put all the yellow pepper in a pan with half of the spring onions and fry it with a drizzle of oil for about 5 minutes time. Once the pepper has softened, we're going to bring the garlic, the other half of the thyme, and the pudre de Colombo. Then we're going to stir it and cook for 30 seconds. After that, we're going to add the kidney beans, the chopped tomatoes, the water, and coconut milk. We're going to stir it once again. Now we're going to add the vegetable stock cubes. We only need 1.5. Now we're going to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and allow it to cook between 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. By now the sweet potatoes should be ready. Once the soup is lovely and rich, remove it from the heat. Now we're going to stir in the roasted sweet potato. Now the soup is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like and subscribe.